Hello everyone and welcome back on our 12-night family cruise. This is day 4 and 5 of our Royal Caribbean cruise. We have a 2-day stop in Reykjavik, Iceland on the ship Jewel of the Seas. Walking to our short excursion today. This is so pretty, baby.
I made it.
Yep. Made it, baby.
Say hi.
Hi.
We just did our first stop. It was the crater. Juju.
So Juju's looking at rocks.
She loves all the rocks. I swear she's gonna be a geologist or something because she loves looking at rocks. Our second stop is the Geysir, and we just went inside at the food court to have lunch.
Yep.
Had a 2 burgers and fries, and it was about $50. So pretty expensive, but it was the only place to get really food here. Here at the Geysir Center. Jocelyn rated it a 4 out of 10. It was okay. We were hungry. We had to do what we had to do to eat. So now you see the little geysers. Now we're walking towards this is from this other side of the geyser. You see the water up there?
You can see it, but there's water. Whoa!
Whoa! From this angle, it looks so cool.
I was scared. I thought the water was gonna come this way.
Yeah. Did you like it, Jocelyn? Did you like it, Juju? It was cool? Yeah. Jocelyn, look at the water from this angle. What does it look like?
It looks blue.
Okay, Jocelyn, what did you think of the geysers?
It was great. Whoa!
Are you okay? It was so fun. It went up so high.
Yeah.
I tried to catch it both times, but I was a little bit slow to catch it. So,
If we did in slow motion, that would be cool.
yeah. The one thing that kind of sucks when you're doing tours is you have to be on a person's time, the bus time. If we had more time, probably stayed here longer, try to get it better. But we did get to see it 2-3 times, so that was fun. Oh, but it's starting to rain, so I think perfect time to go back in. Do our last pee stop and get back to the bus for the next stop. The falls or something. These are so pretty out here.
You okay?
I think we'll catch up.
Hello, we're in Iceland right now. And there's a waterfall right there. And
Watch out, baby. Don't be so close to the edge. We're at the Thingvellir National Park. And what? Yeah. And
Juju's on my back.
these are like the tectonic plates that are North America and Europe. I think I heard the tour guide.
Look at that lovely dog.
Juju!
that's been taken forever.
Yeah.
Oh, she's like falling down.
The beautiful
Sorry, baby. This was the last stop at our excursion for Iceland today. We are about to go back to the bus. Day 5 on our cruise, eating a quick breakfast. Got it, Juju. You can go faster than that. Morning, everyone.
It's our second day in Iceland today. We're going to Lagoon to go swimming.
Yes. And we had to wake up at 6:30 in the morning. No, 5:30 in the morning. I'm still tired and asleep. Right now, we have our bus pickup at 6:30 in the morning. So we're walking there and we'll show you guys what Blue Lagoon is all about.
Yay.
This is how it looks like at 6:30 in the morning. You see your bus over there, the Blue Lagoon.
Lagoon.
You're so pretty.
It's like the Blue Lagoon, guys. But we've never been, so we won't know what it looks like.
We are walking to the Blue Lagoon.
Yeah.
It's really cold. So before you get into the lagoon, you have to shower, put on your bathing suit, and then come out. You have my phone, so be careful, okay? And the kids have to wear that. Let's go, girls. Leave our shoes here.
Let's go.
Where did Daddy go?
Take this way.
We're going this way because we got for our
We can come back.
Yeah, we'll come back.
There, y'all can go straight to the thing.
Here you go.
You know, take my phone. Oh, I can get it. It's fine. You can stand, baby. You can stand. Stand up, 'cause people. Jocelyn, how does that feel? Hi, baby. Oh, it feels amazing.
Yeah.
So good. And it's not deep, Jocelyn. You can stand, right? Oh, feels so good. That's the view.
Don't drink the water, okay?
It feels so good.
It's so good, Juju?
You like it? So I just got the first mask. It's the lava scrub. So lava powder, silica, geothermal seawater. She said to only leave it on for like 2 minutes.
Only 2 minutes?
Yeah. And wash it off. So.
Okay. Not your eye area.
Don't put it in your eye area, she said.
lava, Tyler, so cool.
I don't know if this one's a good one for you to try, Jocelyn.
Why? Does it sting?
It doesn't sting, but...
Do I look good? Do I look even?
I like it.
You like my face?
What's your name?
I like your face. My face has
So 5
lava.
minutes, we'll say. Okay. Thank you very much.
This
Only
is
5
the kid one, kid safe. Which one is this one? What they say? Look at the camera and put it on your face so you
I
can
think
see.
this one's the,
That's a good one.
not the mud mask, the mineral one. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have an order? Daddy.
You want some, Juju? Okay. I'm gonna help This is where you get the mask and this is
We need to watch if you're supposed to be transport. Well, yo, you're supposed to be watching your...
Yeah, I'm about to. So can you hold your...
Did you come here? I'll watch.
I just took off my mask. I like the way Daddy's taking off his. Do it again, baby.
Good job, Daddy.
Good job, Daddy. Ready to take yours off?
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes, okay? And close your mouth because the water is salty. Yes.
You're getting sunburned a little bit.
Good job. How does your face feel? Nice and exfoliated?
It feels good. It feels so good. It feels so good.
This was so good and relaxing after a long day of hiking yesterday. Sucks because we had to cut it a little bit short because we have to be back on the boat before 12:30. So it is not really that packed here. We have basically like the whole this part of the lagoon to ourselves.
That guy be where the sun is.
Yeah, we're trying to find the sauna and the waterfall.
I checked points.
Come here, Justin.
Oh, we can ask the guy. He's right there. One of the workers.
Sorry?
This is mask number 2.
Yes, I just.
The one that I showed.
I have half an hour. Just have-
The Steambath. It's pretty cool.
Come here.
I let the girls feel it.
Come on.
Come in and out real quick.
It's warm.
Can't even see anything. Okay, get out. Bringing the girls. Swim, Juju. You swimming? Our last 30 minutes here. Cheers. We're almost gonna go.
Cheers.
You wanna have a cheer?
Cheers.
So much more money.
People came here.
The line now is like huge.
It's probably everyone trying to get on the boat.
Goodbye, Blue Lagoon. It was so fun. We had a relaxing time.
Logan, let me.
We definitely recommend you come.
Blue Lagoon.
Family friendly. The girls loved it. They don't want to leave.
You had a good time, Juju?
Yeah.
You had a good time?
Yeah.
You like your slushie?
Yeah.
You want to come back again?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. So 3 years old, 10 out of 10 recommendation. 7 years old, 10 out of 10 recommendation. Blue Lagoon, please host us. We will come back gladly.
For $1.
Look, it says the sound of this distribution well is 38 degrees Celsius geothermal seawater being channeled into the lagoon from 2,000 meters within the earth. It says the Blue Lagoon is one of the world's 25 wonders. Made it just in time.
Yay!
Back to the boat. What time is it?
Oh, it's about to be 12:20. 10 minutes to spare to get to
Watch.